Welcome to our channel. Today, we're comparing two popular Philips Sonicare toothbrush heads, the C2 Optimal Plaque Control and the G2 Optimal Gum Care. Let's find out which one is the best fit for your oral health needs. The C2 is designed to remove up to 7 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush, thanks to its densely packed bristles that reach deep into hard-to-clean areas. On the other hand, the G2 focuses on your gums, offering soft, flexible bristles that gently clean along the gum line. So, which one should you choose? If plaque buildup is your main concern, the C2 is a solid choice. It's affordable and great for intense cleaning. But if you have sensitive gums or are looking to improve gum health, the G2 is your best bet for a gentler yet effective clean.
Both the C2 and G2 are excellent, but your decision should be based on your specific needs. Whether you're battling plaque or taking extra care of your gums, there's a Sonicare brush head for you. Make sure to pick the brush head that best fits your needs, and don't forget to subscribe or follow electric toothbrush reviews for more content like this.